Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar, Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 8 maths. Okay, and our chapter is understanding quadrilateral. Okay, and in this chapter we have learned what is quadrilateral, how to how to construct a quadrilateral, and which type of quadrilateral are there. There are four type of quadrilateral. And what is quadrilateral? If the four side closed figure is called quadrilateral. Okay, understand. And which type of quadrilateral are there? First of all, we can say that quadrilateral are trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, square, rectangle, and kite. Okay, so if we talk about trapezium, what is trapezium? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. What is kite? Adjacent sides are parallel, adjacent sides are equal. Okay, and what about parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it is called parallelogram. And in a parallelogram, rhombus, square, and rectangle are there. Okay, in a rhombus and square, all sides are equal. Okay, and in a square and rectangle, all angles are 90 degree. Okay, understand. So these are the main point we learn in this chapter. What is exterior angle property of a quadrilateral? Exterior angle प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी पॉलीगॉन, वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल हो, ट्रायंगल हो, कोई भी पॉलीगॉन हो, उसकी 360 डिग्री होती है. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज इंटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनी पॉलीगॉन? इंटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ quadrilateral is 360 degree. But if we talk about any polygon, then it's a formula n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of side. Okay, so you can easily find what is angle sum property of any polygon. Okay, how to find the number of diagonal of any polygon? N minus 3, n into n minus 3 upon 2. Okay, so you can easily find the value of any diagonal of any polygon. Okay, student, so we can talk about angle sum property of a polygon, how to find the diagonal of polygon. Okay, now let's do some questions. If three angles of a quadrilateral are each equal to 75 degree, okay, the fourth angle is, if three angles are given, then you have to find, if you want to find fourth angle, then what can you do? You have simply, three angle is 75 and fourth angle you don't know, so let's take its x is equal to 360, because we know that angle sum property of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, if we sum all the angles of quadrilateral, it's become a 360 degree. So what is this? 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. 7 3s are 21 and 1 22, plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 2 to 5, because 2 to 5 is here in LHS, it's a positive. Then when we transpose it into RHS, it become negative. Okay, now 10 में से 5 गए, 5 बचे. Okay, 5 में से 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 135 degree. Okay, so B option is the right one. Okay, understand. Now question number 2, for which of the following diagonal bisect each other? So if the question is this type, bisect each other, so we know that square, kite, trapezium, and quadrilateral. Okay, we know that the diagonal of a square bisect each other, but the diagonal of kite, trapezium, and quadrilateral do not bisect each other. Okay, understand. So its answer is square. For which of the following figure all angle are equal? all angles are equal in a rectangle. But if the question is all sides are equal, then it's a rhombus. But question is all angle are equal, so it's a rectangle. Okay, understand? For which of the following figure diagonal are perpendicular to each other? Diagonal are perpendicular. So which type of quadrilateral diagonal are perpendicular to each other? The diagonal of a kite are perpendicular to each other. Okay, because perpendicular किस किस में होते हैं? रोम्बस में, फिर स्क्वायर में और फिर काइट में. Okay, so your answer is kite. Okay, for which of the following figure diagonal are equal? For which of the following figure diagonal are equal? So if we talk about equal diagonal, here it's given trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram and rectangle. Okay, so by the property of rectangle we know that its diagonal are equal. Okay, understand? So our which option is right? Our D option is the right one. Okay, which of the following figures satisfy the following property? Which of the following figures satisfy the following property? All sides are congruent, all angles are right angle, opposite sides are parallel. See which figure? So all sides are congruent, हमें all sides equal दिखनी चाहिए, all angle are right angle दिखना चाहिए और opposite sides are parallel. ये सारी की सारी प्रॉपर्टी आपको किस फिगर में दिख रही है? आपको स्क्वायर में दिख रही है, मीन्स R. ओके, डेट मीन्स C. ओके, सो योर आंसर इज C. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर सेटिस्फाई द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी हैज़ टू पेयर ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट एडजेसेंट साइड? So we know that two pair of congruent adjacent side having kite having two pair of congruent adjacent side. Okay, so C वाला ऑप्शन आपका राइट होगा. Now which of the following figures satisfy the following property? See the figure. Only one pair of side are parallel. वन पेयर ऑफ साइड आर पैरेलल आपको किस में दिख रहा है? डेट इज़ अवर ए. ओके, सी हियर इन फर्स्ट वाले में आपको देखो, सेकंड वाले में दोनों पेयर पैरेलल दिख रहे हैं, थर्ड और फोर्थ में भी दोनों पेयर पैरेलल दिख रहे हैं. ए में स्लाइटली सा डिफरेंस है, डेट इज़ ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, सो ए वाला ऑप्शन आपका राइट होगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर डू नॉट सेटिस्फाई एनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी? कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी जो फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है. ऑल साइड आर इक्वल, ऑल एंगल आर राइट एंगल, अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल हमें बी वाले में और बी वाले में दिख रहा है. ऑल एंगल आर राइट एंगल बी वाले में दिख रहा है. अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. सो आवर ऑप्शन इज, विच ऑप्शन इज राइट? ऑल साइड्स डू नॉट सेटिस्फाई एनी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टी. सो कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, मतलब ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल भी नहीं होने चाहिए, ऑल एंगल आर राइट एंगल नहीं होना चाहिए, अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल नहीं होना चाहिए. तो बी वाला तो सारी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, सी वाला भी अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल दिखा रहा है. ओके, एंड ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल हमको डी वाले में दिख रहा है. सो आवर फर्स्ट वाला ऑप्शन इज द right one. Okay, which of the following property describes a trapezium? A pair of opposite sides is parallel, the diagonal bisect each other. Next one is the diagonal are perpendicular to each other, the diagonal are equal. So what is the answer? We know that in trapezium a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so our option A is the right answer. Okay, which of the following is a property of parallelogram? So opposite sides are parallel, the diagonal bisect each other at a right angle, the diagonal are perpendicular to each other, all angles are equal. So we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So first option is the right answer. Okay, Understand? Now let's see next question. What is the maximum number of obtuse angle that a quadrilateral can have? Obtuse angle. Okay, what is the maximum number of obtuse angle? So we know that the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay, if we talk about all the angle of quadrilateral is 360 and also an obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, if we talk about obtuse angle, what is obtuse angle? More than 90 and less than 180. Thus all the angle of measure of quadrilateral cannot be obtuse. सारे एंगल हमारे obtuse नहीं हो सकते हैं. Hence at most 3 angle can be obtuse. कोई 3 एंगल हम बोल सकते हैं कि ऑब्ट्यूस हो सकते हैं एट मोस्ट. ओके, जरूरी नहीं है बट एट मोस्ट 3 एंगल कैन बी ऑब्ट्यूस. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13? हाउ मेनी नॉन ओवरलैपिंग ट्रायंगल कैन बी मेक इन अ n-gon polygon having n side by joining the vertices? So the number of non-overlapping triangle in a n-gon is equal to n minus 2. That is 2 less than the number of side. Okay. So what is our answer? That is B. Okay. Now what is the sum of all the angle of a pentagon? What is the sum of all the angle of a pentagon? That is पेंटागन है तो अगर हम पेंटागन की बात करते हैं तो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ पेंटागन n माइनस 2 इंटू 180. सिंपल. नंबर ऑफ साइड इन पेंटागन 5 इंटू 180. 3 इंटू 180 that is 540. So what is angle sum property of a pentagon? That is 540 degree. Okay, understand? What is the sum of all angle of a hexagon? If we talk about hexagon, so what is angle sum property of a hexagon? Now again n minus 2 into 180. So 6 minus 2 into 180. 4 into 180. So what is your answer? Your answer is 720. Okay. So your answer is 720 is the right one. Okay, understand? And in two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are 5x minus 5 degree. If two angles are 5x minus 5 degree and 10x plus 35 degree, then the ratio of these angle is. So if we want to find the ratio, so first of all we have to find the all the angles. Okay, so what we do, we know that two angles, adjacent angle of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so use this property. 5x minus 5 plus 10x plus 35 is equal to 180. Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay, supplementary means 180 degree. So let's solve it. 5x minus 5 plus 10x plus 35 is equal to 180. First हम bracket open करेंगे. Now 5x plus 10x that is 15x minus 5 plus 35 that is plus 30 is equal to 180. Now 15x is equal to 180 minus 30 that is 150. So 15x is equal to 150, x is equal to 150 upon 15 that is 10. Okay, so the value of x is 10. Okay, so first angle, what is our first angle? First angle is 5x minus 5. Okay, so 5x minus 5 means 50. 5 into 10, x की वैल्यू हमारी क्या आई 10. तो 5 into 10 that means 50 minus 5 that is 45 degree. और 10x minus 5 10 into 10 that is 100 minus 35. ओके सॉरी 100 प्लस 35 तो हमारा हो गया 135. सो दो एंगल हमारे पास हो गए 45 एंड 135. सो अब इसका रेशो निकाल लेंगे 45 is to 135. So 45 upon 135, cut it down by 5. 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, and 5 7s are 35. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So our ratio is 1:3. Okay. So what is our ratio? Our ratio is become 1:3. Understand? So this type you solve this question. A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, and the diagonal bisect each other at right angle is. So what type of quadrilateral is? We know that in a rhombus all sides are equal, opposite angle are equal, and diagonal bisect each other at right angle. So your answer is rhombus. Okay. स्क्वायर में भी होती हैं ऑल साइड्स इक्वल, बट अपोजिट एंगल इक्वल नहीं होते. स्क्वायर में ऑल एंगल 90 डिग्री होते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द राइट आंसर. ओके. सो बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. बी केयरफुल एंड remember all the properties of quadrilateral. If you remember all the properties of quadrilateral, then you can easily solve the question paper. Okay, understand? Now next one is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides and all the angle are equal in is a. Now opposite sides are equal and opposite angles. Okay, so we know that in a rectangle opposite sides and all the angles are equal. Okay, understand? So your option is, which option is? Rectangle. Okay, a quadrilateral whose all side, diagonals and angles are equal is a. All side, all diagonal and angle are equal, so it's a square, because we know that in a square all angles, all sides are equal in length. Okay, how many diagonal does a hexagon have? If we talk about hexagon, so how many diagonal does hexagon have? So we know that what is the formula? N into n minus 3 upon 2. Hexagon means 6 side. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 into 3, that is total number of 9. So how many diagonals? There are 9 diagonals. 9 diagonals are there in hexagon. Okay. If the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, then parallelogram is a. So what type of parallelogram is? If the adjacent side of a parallelogram are equal, then the parallelogram is adjacent sides equal है. We know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, but according to the question adjacent sides are also equal. Thus the parallelogram in which all sides are equal is known as rhombus. Okay, understand? So understand student, I think you understand what type of question is there in a quadrilateral. Okay, now let's see. The sum of all exterior angle of a triangle is always 360 degree. Okay, which of the following is an equiangular and equilateral polygon? Equiangular means all angle equal, equilateral means all sides equal, that is square. Okay, understand? Which one has all the properties of a kite and a parallelogram? किस में आपको सारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ काइट की भी दिख रही हैं और सारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ पैरेललोग्राम की भी है? कौन सा ऐसा है? सो इन अ काइट 2 पेयर ऑफ इक्वल साइड, डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट एट 90 डिग्री, 1 पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. ओके. इन पैरेललोग्राम अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल, अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. सो फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शंस all these properties are satisfied by rhombus. When I teach you about rhombus, it's a special type of quadrilateral, I told you. Okay, so in a rhombus we can say it's a kite also and it's a parallelogram also, because in a rhombus both are satisfied. Okay, understand? In a trapezium ABCD, the measure of angle D is, the measure of angle D is in a trapezium ABCD. सॉरी हमारा 26 नंबर का क्वेश्चन छूट गया है. द एंगल ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर इन द रेशियो 1:2:3:4. द स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल इज. So first of all we have to find what is the angles, what is x. So we have take x 1 is equal to 1. हमें क्या दिए हुए रेशो. ओके 1x प्लस 2x प्लस 3x प्लस 4x is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 upon 10, that is 36 degree. So हमें क्या बताना है क्वेश्चन में. The angle of a quadrilateral are in the ratio this. The smallest angle is. So what is the smallest angle? 36, because x is the smallest angle. Okay, so your answer is 36 degree. Understand? In a trapezium ABCD, the measure of angle D is. हमें D का मेजरमेंट बताना है. सी हियर इफ टू एंगल्स आर गिवन. ओके, दीज आर 2A and B are adjacent angle. Okay, so we know that if A plus B is equal to, and we know that sum of adjacent angle in a quadrilateral is always 180 degree. So we know that angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Okay, so angle A is 55 plus angle D is equal to 180. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 55, that is 125 degree is your answer. Okay, understand? Now question number 28 is a quadrilateral has 3 acute angle in each measure 80 degree. Then the measure of the fourth angle is. अगर हमें सारे एंगल 3 एंगल हैं, एक्यूट एंगल हैं और सबका मेज़र 80 डिग्री है, तो फोर्थ एंगल क्या होगा हमारा. सो वी नो दैट एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल 80 plus 80 plus 80, that is 240. 360 minus 240, that is your 120 degree is your answer. Okay, understand? So this type you have to solve all the question. One more question we have solved. The number of side of a regular polygon where each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. If each exterior angle have measure of 45 degree, then how many sides are there? कौन सा पॉलीगॉन होगा ये. तो हम क्या करेंगे 360 अपॉन 45. ओके, सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. 360 मीन्स सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल अपॉन मेजर ऑफ एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमें दिया हुआ है, सो हम इससे हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं वो पेंटागॉन है, हेक्सागॉन है, सेप्टागॉन है, हेक्टागॉन है, क्या है वो. ओके, सो 45 क्या 45 के टेबल में 9 के टेबल में दोनों आते हैं 45 एंड 36. तो 9 5 सा 45, 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40. So your answer is 8. So it's a 8-sided polygon. Okay, understand? So this type you have to solve all the question. Have a good day.